Today we have a video from Public Pigeon, and the title of the video is "Cute Girl Pulled Over and Blows 2 Times Over the Legal Limit."
Want to try it one more time?
No.
Okay.
I know I'm in trouble.
Okay. Go ahead, place your hands behind your back. Being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Alright, let's get this show on the road, man. Nice neighborhood, though.
I'm Sam 22, 1050. Lord tag 15 David, Frank Young King, Clark and approach. Hello.
Oh.
Do you have your lights all the way on?
What?
Do you have your lights
I
on?
know my one light is off.
Can you turn on your headlights?
I know my one tail light's off.
They're both off.
What?
Yeah.
I thought only this one.
Can you turn that knob right there for your headlights? That's your high beams. No. Turn it this way. There you go. Now let me see if they work. Yep, they work. All right, do you have your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah.
Thank you. Where are you coming from?
My holiday party.
Oh, okay. Where was that at?
Downtown.
All right. Whose surf side is that?
What?
The surf side.
I don't know.
Okay. Did you have anyone with you?
Not recently.
Okay. Did you drink any alcohol? Did you drink anything? Okay. How many is that? 2?
Yeah.
What'd you have? Vodka cranberry?
Yeah.
Okay. So how long were you at the holiday party?
Since like 6:45.
In the evening?
I don't know.
That's a long time.
It was only like 2 hours. Maybe like 7.
Okay. And where were you at specifically?
The A-loft.
Okay. All right.
I don't know.
All right. I don't see it in there. Can you step out for me?
Yeah.
She had a lot more than 2 drinks, I'll tell you that. A lot more.
Are you willing to do the standardized field sobriety exercises? You can
Yeah.
step right over there. All right. Just hang tight right here for me, okay?
Yeah.
All right, you can relax. Are you comfortable in those? What are you wearing?
Heels.
Heels? Or do you want to take them off to walk on the...
Can I take them off?
Yep. All right, put your left foot on the line. And then your right foot directly in front, heels and toes touching. All right. Keep your left foot behind. Keep your left foot. There you go. And then touch your heels. All right, but don't step forward. So step off the line. Put your left foot on the line. Your right foot directly in front, heels and toes touching. All right. Keep your arms down flat at your sides as best as you can. But I know you're gonna have to pick up your dress so that you can walk, so just try to keep your arms down at your sides, that's all. Okay, so stay in that position while I explain the exercise. Do not start until I tell you to begin, okay? So when I tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 consecutive heel-to-toe steps down the line, counting your steps out loud, keeping your eyes on your toes, and your arms down flat at your sides. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9, okay? Once you get to your 9th step, keep your front foot planted on the ground, And then take a series of small steps using your back foot just like this. And then continue back down the line, 9 consecutive heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud, keeping your eyes on your toes and your arms down flat at your sides. You're going to continue with the exercise until you have completed it fully. Do you have any questions? All right, you may begin.
1, 2,
Ooh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, continue with the exercise.
Look like she playing Twister.
Okay. Step directly in front of me. All right. Feet together, and arms down flat at your sides. All right, when I tell you to begin, you're going to take either foot of your choosing, lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground, about the height of a soda can. Okay, just don't start yet. Keep your eyes on your toes, arms down flat at your sides. You're going to count in the thousands. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, so on and so forth, until I tell you to stop. Okay? If you happen to place your foot down, you're going to pick it back up and continue where you left off. Do you have any questions? Okay. Which foot would you like to raise?
This one.
Okay. Can you step a little closer to this yellow line over here? If you don't have any questions, then you may begin. Remember to count out loud. Okay. Want to try it one more time?
No.
Okay.
I know I'm in trouble.
Okay. Go ahead, place your hands behind your back. Being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Should have took an Uber.
Can you put your palms together like you're praying?
She could barely form sentences, man. She is way too intoxicated.
All right, you're gonna walk right back over here. Do you have nothing on you?
She gonna sleep good. Sleep like a baby tonight. She go up in that holding cell, knock out.
Are you willing to provide a sample of your breath to determine its alcoholic content?
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a second.
Damn, that's the end of the. Okay. All right. I know this is a new channel, so yeah, new channel. So we're gonna, you know, all right. Yeah. Man. See, I've been knocking these videos out, man. Listen, I need a little break, man. I need a little break, but we back. We gonna rock out, man. We back. We gonna rock out. But yeah, anyways, yeah, this case is just your standard DUI case, man. I don't know what to say, man. She should have just had an Uber, man. Uber, Lyft, taxi, you know. Any of those options will work. You know you going out drinking. And you know you had more than 2 drinks. Come on, man. You been there all night and you only had 2 drinks? Okay. Yeah, right. All right. They supposed to believe that. Anyways, yeah. What was I gonna say? Because I'm reading this title. Singer Akon slapped in cuffs on way to world tour. That sounds crazy. You see this? Y'all see that? That sounds crazy. But yeah. Y'all let me know if we should give Public Penguin another shot, man. You know, if we should start rocking with them boys and all that, you know, see what they got going on. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they channel looking like, man. Let's see what they channel looking like. Okay, got 5 videos. 16-year-old calls 911 after. Ooh, that's an hour long. Nah, that's too long. I ain't doing no video like that. Way too long. Those longer videos that I do sometimes, those don't get no views because who's really gonna sit down and watch an hour, you know? Yeah, but anyways, cops did a good job. They get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.